This is the Pulse Elements from SonuScore. 100% free instrument for Kontakt. Runs in the full version of Kontakt or even the free Kontakt Player. This, of course, is a cinematic rhythm movement engine here. So before I show you where to get it, just real quick, let's go over the interface and show you how it works. So we can load up to 10 different instruments. You'll see across the top here on this main page, 1 through 5, and then 6 through 10 here. So this one here only has 8, which means we can of course change these. We can just click, we can change the type of instrument in each slot. Of course, it's the Elements version, a light version. So you're not gonna have all of the possible sounds in this, of course, but there's still a lot in here. Like all kinds of really cool stuff in here. So that's just real quick over the instruments right there. Again, 1 through 5, 6 through 10. We have a global effects page over here. You can turn things on, turn things off. Again, I'm not going to go super deep in this. Just want to give you sort of a real quick overview. You have LFOs that can control things there. And of course, you got your FX right there too for each individual instrument. And then over here to the Find page, this is where you can select your different presets. And you get a little preview. Right? Get a little preview of what it sounds like. That sounds awesome. We're getting free instrument here. That's cool. I just held down 2 notes. It's like all that in just 2 notes. Of course, we can adjust all these things. And of course, use your mod wheel as well. You get a lot of motion on that. You can have 2 different key switches here. So you can have an intro setup, for example. Then the main A. All kind of stuff that you can do with this. Of course, you can also switch your presets up here. Empty session there. So let me grab this desire.exe. It's kind of a cool one, right? So the real heart of this is going to be your play page. But before we move there, you also have multi-outs on this. So click that if you want to route these out, the different instruments out to individual tracks here in Kontakt, and then into your DAW. So you can do that if you want. But again, the play page, this is the heart and soul of this engine. All kind of stuff you can do here. 1 through 5, there's 6 through 10. Then we can have up to 4 different pages here of sequences. So it can get, it can get really crazy here. Let's just go for this hacker. I'll just click on that. So in this instrument, in the hacker instrument, we have all these different individual instruments like our kick, snares, toms, etc., etc. Come over here to velocity first of all, and for now, let's just turn all this stuff off. And just so we can hear this, I'm gonna just solo just that hacker, okay? Just so we can understand how this works. Click on this. All right, so we have our first dot right there. Go over here to, let's make sure we select that first. Then velocity, okay? If I want to add more, I can add them as such, right? Then go over, of course, to the next page, add them up however I want, right? But this also gets really cool here. Watch this. I can just drag, say, velocity all in here. So now all those dots are filled in. Probably not going to sound great, but then I can come over to pitch, and then let's say adjust those pitches. Right, some really low ones in there. And then come over to chance, put these at around 50%. So now even though we have all of these checked here, they're not going to play every single time. Right, it's just up to chance. You can get some really cool rhythms really quickly like this. And it's different when it plays through. Right, so if we pull that all in now. Kind of cool. Of course, there's multiple pages that we didn't adjust. But of course, then we could add things like our snare in, come to toms, again on velocity, put all those in. Not going to sound good, of course, in this case. change the pitch, change the chance. Now we got a really cool beat set up in like 30 seconds. Pretty cool. Maybe we'll come to this instrument here, see what this is. Adjust that. Of course, use your mod wheel to adjust between those 2 points. Over here to play our sequence. And again, I don't want to go too deep in this, but you can do all kind of stuff in here. We can set up different ranges here. Free, you have sort of a custom selection here. I mean, all kind of stuff that you can do. Note selection, lowest, middle, etc., etc. It kind of depends on the exact thing that you choose. So this one here are stabs, for example. So we have different options. So let's go over some of these included presets just real quick. Just holding down one note. Next page. Maybe I want to switch out an instrument, for example. Double click that and maybe change it over to drums. So hacker kit, experimental. Again, we don't have everything because it is the light version. Let's go with acoustic, I think. Grab that one there. They just set up some drums for this. Change the rate. That velocity up. And we'll mess around with the overall pitch and chance. So there we go. We added some drums to that real quick. Pretty cool. Awesome. The Pulse Elements, 100% free. If you want to pick it up for yourself, head right over here. Of course, I'll have a link for it in the description below. If you're watching on TikTok, of course, there's no link. So just go to SonuScore.com and go to the free tab and you'll find the Pulse Elements. Now, what you do whenever you add this to cart and you get it for free is you will get a serial number, which you will then input into Native Access. Native Access is also free. It's like their download manager if you're not familiar with that. And then once you put it into Native Access, you'll be able to download it from there and it will show up right in the full version of Kontakt or even the free Kontakt Player. So if you want to pick it up for yourself, again, head down to the description below and pick up the Pulse elements for free from SonuScore.